teach nursing topics to nursing students who are taking their board exam. That was my first job, and I also happen to have been a volunteer nurse in several institutions way back. I have been volunteer nurse at Amoso Hospital in Mandurriao, and I also have been working as a volunteer nurse in Western Visayas State University, Western Visayas Medical Center. I also happen to work at Great Saviors Hospital. Before it was Medical City, I have been volunteering in that institution as well. I have been working as a community health nurse in DOH, as an RN in DOH's RN Hills. I also have work experience in Western Visayas Medical Center itself as a COVID nurse during the pandemic times, and I also happen to work as an OR nurse at Iloilo Mission Hospital for a year and a half. And currently I'm working as an emergency nurse in Sara District Hospital.